Alright, YouTube subscribers, I was supposed to make a video for a friend of mine on my YouTube channel. You want to find out how I run two RP 2000 and only use one bass knob. So it's very simple. You're gonna need one of these. You don't have to get the exact same one as this. At the time I had this one and I used this one. So it's a splitter basically. So you plug in and then you use a shorter. Use a shorter one here, plug inside this one. And then this right here goes right back inside this one. It doesn't matter which side you put it in. And then this would be your bass knob cable that's gonna go all the way up front so you can control your bass. So you could plug this in any one of these, any one. So it's fully plugged in. And then this one all the way up. So there you have it. So there it is right there. So this up front or this back there. So this is gonna control our board amplify. So yeah, this is how I do it. And if you try, you should get the same result also. So peace out.